In front of me I've got the Necessary Clutch Wallet by Emmeline Patterns. It's a wonderful pattern and it really is worth the value of downloading it. It's a fantastic make, really addictive. Once you've made one, you do go on and make lots of more for friends and family, I can guarantee it. This purse has plenty of pockets, and I mean plenty. You've got lots of room for all your cards, cash cards, vouchers, plenty of room to even put a mobile phone in the centre. I put my mobile in there. Plenty of room for your coin and your receipts, as well as two pockets, one at the back and one at the front. It's pockets galore with this one, it really is. This one is attached with a twist lock, which is a straightforward sort of device, as you can see. And with this one I used a bird clasp. Again, it's a twist lock, but you don't have to use a twist lock. You can use a magnetic closure. That's quite popular with a few of the people on the class. But again, a range of materials. With this one, I wouldn't use fabric that's too thick for the outside. This one's quite a tweed type wool, loosely woven wool. However, I have seen people make them in a lot thicker fabrics. I show you a lot of hints and tricks on the video of how to reduce bulk in areas that would normally prove a lot of struggle on your sewing machine. In particular, sort of down these edges here, which looked quite tricky, but the step-by-step videos will guide you through every step of the process.